Okay, here's a quick run through of how to do the graph of the homework where we have the trout information. A student wanted to know what effect did temperature have on the growth of trout over 12 weeks. And they all started the same size, which one grew better. Since we do know that we're going to be collecting data every 2 weeks, that would be the independent variable on the x-axis. And what we don't know is how big the fish are going to become over that time period, so that's the dependent variable. And what we want to try to have here then would be the time weeks on the x-axis and the length centimeters on the y-axis in 3 different lines. So I already pasted the data in here, and I made it a little more colorful. So I'm going to highlight my data, go to Insert Chart. The type of chart I want is a line. So I'm going to click on Charts, click on Line, and click this first one. And when I look at this, that's not quite right. I mean, it goes up to about 38, but we don't. What's this blue line? We don't have weeks. Weeks should be down here. However, if you go back to Start and use column 8 as labels, there we go. It works pretty good. So now we have all our different lines labeled in terms of 15 degrees, which they did grow the best. And the last thing to do now is to label the axes and put a chart title. And if you go to Customize, you can then put in a title. The effect of temperature on trout growth. Or whatever you want to write in there. That works for me. And if you scroll down a little bit farther, you'll see that there is an area to do something about the other axes. So on this axis, which is the horizontal, this would probably be time in weeks. Or DIMZ, whatever I wrote there. And on the y-axis, which says left vertical, we need to put in length. And this would have been in centimeters. And then you're pretty much done. You can then make all kinds of crazy colors and things, but that's pretty much the way it goes. So hope this helps.